Happy 2022, everybody. Hi, Happy New Year. Hello, everyone. I'm Claire, and today we're going to make a very Hello, everybody. I'm Claire, and today we're gonna make a review on sisteran's Double Effect Waterproof Eye Pencil. Why? I know I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube videos lately, but I just really want to share this product because it's super good. I just tried it. It's already what, 12:06 in the morning. I should be sleeping right now, but when I tried this product, it's just wow, so mesmerizing, so good. Smudge-free, waterproof, 1+1+1 sa Shopee, Philippines if you want to buy it. In Korea, it's also available. Ang ganda. Promise, ang ganda. Ang ganda ko. Ooh, just kidding. It's like a combination of eyeliner and eyeshadow all in one. Since it's an eye pencil, it's easier to glide onto your skin. There's actually different kinds of colors. We have number 3 on top, so cinnamon mocha. Number 4, which is glam latte. And number 5, which is champagne gold. So I apply them from bottom to top. Even if you're a beginner, it's super easy to use. Even if you don't know how to make use of like color combinations, since it's already given, it's so easy to use, like really convenient. Plus, it has a sharpener on the edge. So for example, once you use them all up, like we do this, like a lipstick, and then just put it here. Like for example, oh, I'm wasting it like that. So it's sharpened already. Put this back as well. Good as new. Super nice. I just wanted to make this video to share it to you guys. Sisteran's Double Effect Waterproof Eye Pencil, available at Shopee PH. Pwede nyo pong orderin. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just comment it down below. So, that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for my upcoming videos. If you want to know more about these products and where to buy them, I'll put the link down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Happy New Year!
I've been searching for this all my life.